So if you're like me, you enjoy the Keurig for its easy and fast single cups of coffee, but I don't always find the coffee that I'm looking for in the Keurig. So I've got one of these My K-Cups universal reusable coffee filters from Keurig, and I'll show you how it works. So it comes in a container with some packaging and a filter. So it's designed to be used with all the different Keurigs, and I don't have the Plus, so I can remove this adapter thing that makes it fit into the Plus. So what you've got is the filter cup. There's a lock down here. It's either unlocked or locked, and you put your coffee in there. It's a brand new one, and it's got holes for all the different types of Keurigs that are out there. So when you open up your Keurig, you're going to want to pull out this basket. It just pops right out, and I probably should have cleaned mine already. And then this is going to drop right in. The lock goes to the bottom, and you're good to go. Now you're brewing your own coffee with a reusable K-Cup from Keurig. Really hope this helps.